AMOLED phone.
Starting with the phone's display, the Tecno Phantom V comes with a 2K Plus AMOLED main display and an FHD Plus AMOLED sub-display.
Awesome camera. This phone features a triple rear camera including a 50 megapixel primary camera, 50 megapixel secondary and a 13 megapixel tertiary camera. Just by the camera pixel size, you can imagine how clear and sharp your pictures are going to be. It's awesome.
For selfies and video calls, Tecno Phantom V features a 32 megapixel primary
Secondary front camera. With such a strong camera setup both front and back, you are in for a brilliant photography experience.
The Tecno Phantom V Fold 5G runs on a Dimensity 9000 Plus processor, enabling you to multitask with ease, which is its 5000 mAh battery.
This super heavy battery offers long and uninterrupted binge watching. Now, big RAM is what you need in your phone for its seamless experience. Making Tecno Phantom a must-buy is its 12 GB RAM. Switch between apps and use multiple of them together. This phone won't even hang for 1 second. It assures a lag-free operation. It's Android 13 OS. It works exactly how you expect it to work. What more do you need?
To sum it up, the Tecno Phantom V Fold 5G